Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Bubot 300P, completely cordless, completely rechargeable pool vacuum cleaner. This is ideal for above ground pools or in-ground pools of less than 150 square feet that have a flat bottom. It's a great little device. It's small, it's lightweight. It goes across the bottom of your pool floor and picks up all the debris. Nice chamber, which we're going to see in just a second, to collect all that, and easy clearing of the water when you're pulling it out of the pool to trap the debris and just let the water flow out. So that's what it is. Let's open it up and take a look at everything that comes in the box. So there's Robot. You can see some of the specifications here on the back as far as charging. Charge time about 3 hours. It'll run for about 90 minutes. So fully cover your pool and get your pool nice and clean in about an hour and a half. Let's open the box here. And see, you got your instructions here. This is like a nice envelope with all of your instruction manual and stuff inside. Really nice there. And we're going to put that off to the side and take a look at the machine. There you go. As you can see, it's got great packaging to make sure it stays safe when it's shipping. And here's your accessory box. You can see BUBLUE has done a great job of really making this feel like a premium product, even with the packaging. You've got your string here. You've got this hook. This is what you're going to use to pull it out of the water. It'll attach to any of your normal pool poles. And then you've got your charging adapter. So this is what you're going to use to plug in and charge it up. And then you've got the star of the show. And one thing you're going to notice right away is how nice and small and compact this is compared to other similar robots. It does not take up a lot of space. It's not huge and big and bulky, so it's not going to take up a lot of space in your garage, but yet it is powerful. You've got this handle on the top here, which allows you to carry it as well as hook into it to pull it out of the pool. Really, really nice design. You've got a power button here on the top, and then you've got your charging port there. And turn it over on the bottom here. You've got your brushes here and here, and then you've got your large debris hole here. This is what stuff's going to get sucked up into. All the leaves, all the dirt, all the bugs in your pool that are on your pool floor will get sucked up into there. And then you've got these nice wheels around that make sure it rolls across the bottom of the pool without any issues. And the debris basket, I think you're gonna, yeah, you just pull on that there, on each side there, and you can see that's the mechanism operating there. And then under here you have your big basket. This is a fine filter, so this is going to filter out all of your debris here, and then this is what's going to catch the debris and sand in the bin, and this is what you will clean out afterwards. Anyway, that is the machine. That is everything that comes in the box. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those links are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can, but there will be a full demo and review video coming up in the near future, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.